Well, in order to create an Apple ID on your iPad, which you will need for services like iCloud and the App Store, follow the steps. First, you need to go ahead and open your Safari application on your iPad. Now go to the website of account.apple.com and just simply go ahead and log in with your specific account. Once you're in this website, you need to go ahead and tap on sign in, which is highlighted in blue color. Or if you want to create an Apple ID, go ahead and tap on create your Apple account in the top right corner that is between sign in and FAQ. Once you tap on that, you will be taken to this kind of interface where you need to enter your first name, your last name, your country or region, your date of birth, including the correct day, month, and year, followed by your Gmail and your password, and then confirm your password. Also, go ahead and enter your country, your phone number, and make sure that you enter a phone number that you can always access because it is going to be used to verify your identity anytime you sign in on a new device or web browser. So, messaging on data rates may apply. So, verify with a text message or a phone call. And then, last but not least, you need to type the characters in this image to verify the captcha and then tap on continue in the bottom, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. Your Apple ID will be created and will be ready to use on your Apple devices. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.